So today, I don't know. I'm making this video. Today is 27. Today is 27 around 8 is 8:44 a.m. in the morning. I came back to Nigeria uh, on the 9th. I can't remember now. I forget already. Yeah, between on the 9th on the 10th. Let's say I settled on the 10th. Okay. So before I get to Nigeria, I have been buying fabrics upon fabrics. My intention that when I get to Nigeria, the first thing I'm going to do is to start producing my ready to wear. And then the second thing I did when I get to Nigeria, I bought gadgets for my filming equipment to do tutorial for my YouTube, right? So now, after getting all those things, in fact, after getting the fabric that I paid while I was away, I still bought more. Okay. So all my intentions that when I get here, I'm going to start my YouTube videos. I'm going to start producing my ready to wear. But my dear, as I'm talking to you at this very moment, I have not even produced even a single pant. I have not even produced even a single video for my YouTube. The reason being, there's no light. Every day I will waste fuel. I will drive from here to the office. 15 minutes drive from here, sometimes 10 minutes drive from here to the office. Burn fuel. I will go and sit there, wait. They will do like beep. The next thing, within 10 minutes, that light is gone. Sometimes it's not even up to 10 minutes. It took the light. Sometimes they will do like that 3 to 4 times in a day. From that, sometimes I get to the office around 10. From that 11 o'clock till dawn, there is no single light. So tell me, how do I survive this? How do I survive this? This is too harsh. It's too harsh. Like the situation is too harsh. How can we survive? No food. If there is no money, how will you eat? If there is no money, how will you pay for house rent? If there is no money, how do you even care for your children or hospital bills and stuff like that? We need light to make this money. We are going to pay for the light. We know the light is not free, right? The light is not free. Please provide light for us. It's too harsh. Okay? Economics has already gone high already. Let's have light so that we can be able to be productive. We can, most especially me, my own skills is the skills I choose. I need light to be skillful, right? My own skills is to cut clothes to sew for people to sell. I don't have any other things I'm doing apart from this. So right now I'm going to not think of, okay, which kind of job I need to do at this moment. If I don't have electricity, I need some other things that can back me off in case if there is no light for me to make clothes to sell, right? But at this very moment, I don't know that kind of business, the type of business I'm going to go into now that doesn't require me to stress for anything. Right now, what I only know right now, what I know how to do, that I believe that is going to give me money, is going to assist me in one way or the other, is this my tailoring business. Please, my dear government, please, we need light. I'm begging, right? I'm begging. Or maybe I should kneel down. No, I can do that. Story for another day. Thank you for listening.